Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featuring crystal white track coat with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, power sunroof, enhanced automatic park assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls below as well. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar. We can hop inside. Just to the left, we have our power park brake and head-up display. Looking at the steering wheel here, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. And to the right, we have the cluster as well as audio controls. Turning the vehicle on, we can take a look at the infotainment system. Starting with our audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here's our map. Throwing it in reverse. You got the backup camera as well as HD surround vision. Below that is the climate control with heated and vented front seats for both driver and passenger, some extra storage, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, and the wireless phone charging. We have our center console storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins, digital rear view mirror. Above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior now, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, here we have some XT6 and Cadillac badging. Open up the back, we just got a double click. We have a good amount of storage space back here as well as some hidden storage down below. Just to the right, we have some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats down, making a ton of extra storage space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door, Bose speakers, powered window, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats here, to the left we have the manual seating adjustment and we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders, rear climate control, 2 USBs with a light, and a pull-out cup holder with some storage. Up to the top left you'll find handles paired with a dome light and a vent matched on the other side. And in the third row we have the same vents and the light on the roof as well as cup holders with a USB-C on either side. We have a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.